not sure if I should launch in second when I'm doing a 40 roll or in third. Shit is quick, but he caught me off guard. Like, come on, I need some time to. I think I should go in third. Bro, he doesn't even give me. He don't even give me time to set up. Yo. Mind you guys, we're still stock. The car is still stock. The only thing that I've done to it is tires and wheels. That's it. I want to race him from a dig though. Yo, you don't even give me time to like see what gear I want to be in. Like, you slow down and it's beep 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 boom. I'm like, damn.
Yeah.
Nah, pero yo, that shit is quick.
It is, but it doesn't feel like that.
But it sounds like your transmission, like, como que hace one, tan, 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 tan. Like.
No, that's me.
Oh, yeah, you suck at shifting, bro.
Yes. We catch a light, like you and I in a light, we'll be better.
Yeah. Yo, I did a dig at the light back there, and my shit was spinning. I was like, fuck, my tires are cold as fuck.
It was good. The first one, I told, wait, what the fuck is going on? You warned me on that one.
Nah, that shit was fire though. That shit is fire. Damn, we need a light. You right.
Oh shit!
Oh yeah. All right, dude. You want a fender?
Yeah.
All right. All right. What is it? Like a fender, a door?
I don't know. Oh, right now.
Yo, your shit was doing a burnout.
Yes.
Bro, you did that shit way too early. Hurry up, it's about to turn green.
Nigga, it says always drive high temp, stop vehicle.
Oh, nah.
So yo, nigga, you don't want. Dale ahí. Pita.
Damn, it put you in limp mode?
Yes, kind of.
Damn, what the fuck? Bro, your shit was doing a burnout.
I was doing a burnout, what the fuck?
Bro, yes. I'm gonna show you the video. I think it's in the video. You were holding that shit for like 10 seconds.
Yeah, I know. That's how you're supposed to make moves.
But 10 seconds is crazy. Like 3 seconds is good. But
wait. Don't turn. Wait.
What?
We can do a dig down here too.
How about I go when you go on a dig?
Alright.
I'll give you the hit. Head up.
Yeah, when I start, I mean, cuando yo empiezo a arrancar, tú arrancas.
Alright, dale.
This is, I feel it. Because I saw the revs going like 5K. I was like, what the fuck is this?
We're gonna have to do this shit quick. Alright, dale, hurry up. Hurry up, there's a car coming. Alright, whenever you go, I'll go.
Alright.
Nigga, you didn't even give me time to set up. Can I get in launch mode? El diablo. Alright, let's turn.
This a light, just like this.
Yeah, let's turn around and do one more, bro. But like, let me at least build a little bit of boost.
Yeah, cuando tú empecé a hacer boost, yo voy a arrancar.
Nah, once you see my car squat down, then you can start your shit.
Alright, I got you.
Dale más para adelante.
Go ahead.
Alright.
Go ahead.
Yo, that was good or bad? On your end.
On my end, bad. That's the thing that was this shit like, it just cuts power.
Nah,
Like when
I
it gets
peep
to
it.
second gear, it can start building power. You win on digs and I win on brotha.
Let's do, what do you want to do? You want to do more or not?
I don't care. It's up to you.
Alright, I'll go when you go.
Alright, wait. Alright. Start doing this shit.
Got it.
Oh shit. Alright, you gotta go, bro.
Bang, bang.
Where you
bang.
run?
Nah, I'm a, bro, I'm a.
Don't go right. You doing a dig?
I don't care. Same shit again. I gotta stop. Yeah, it says always drive ever or some bullshit.
Oh, that.
Wait. Wait. ¿Ves? Lo mismo, no se quitó. Look, está en lean mode. It's on lean mode. No, pero que es que quiere escuchar el carro. Dale, go ahead. Go now. Yo, let me hear something. Fuck! Oh, hell no. Oh, he's wildin'. We were gonna get a couple more races in, but I don't know what's going on with the Q50, but his all-wheel drive system isn't working properly, so we're gonna call it a night right there. In the digs, we were hooking, thank God. And in the rolls, he was killing me, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm proud of my car. She did good tonight. She is dirty as hell. Let me show y'all. I know y'all haven't seen her in a minute. Dirty. Look how dirty this is. My car has never been this dirty. It snowed over the weekend and I just haven't had time to wash it or do anything with it. So it's gonna stay like this for maybe like a week or two. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Leave a like, comment if you're Team Infiniti or Team BMW, and share the video, guys. Share the video. We're back. We're better. Yeah, let's go. And if y'all trying to race, you know, just let me know type shit. Remember, my shit is stock, so don't come on some, oh, I'm pushing 500, let's race. Don't come on none of that bullshit.